Whoa, this thing is heavy. Of course, here it says 15 kg of weight. This is eufy x10 Pro Omni, my new robot vacuum cleaner. This is the most awaited vacuum cleaner for which I was waiting for almost a month now. I had applied for early bird coupons of £200 and it was released on 15 April in UK and was on sale on Amazon. So without waiting, I ordered it and it was delivered to me on next day. So in this video, I'm going to do only the unboxing of this, and the review of this will be in the next video. Firstly, let's have a look at the box. Okay, on the box it says self-washing, automatically washes the mop after each use. Self-drying, 45 degrees heated mop pad drying after each use. Self-empty, automatically collects dirt from robot dustbin after each use. Large water tank, 3 liter clean water tank and 2.7 liter dirty water tank. Brush design, pro detangle comb, that means it detangles the hair and the fibers which get stuck into the brush. Floating brush. Battery and charging, 5200 mAh battery. Runtime, vacuum only is 180 minutes, vacuum and mop is 120 minutes. Fully charged in under 5 hours. It has AI intelligence, AIC avoidance system, that means it can detect and see objects in its path and avoid them. RGB camera plus LED, that means it can also see in the dark. iPath laser navigation. AI map 3.0 technology. LDS navigation. It has suction power of 8000 pascals. Then Mop Master 2.0 technology, dual rotating mop, adapted downward 1 kg of pressure. That means it puts a pressure on the floor while mopping, and that is 1 kg of pressure it puts. Rotate 180 times per minute, 180 rpm round per minute. Built-in water tank, 12 mm auto lifting mop, that means it detects carpet and lifts the mop up to 12 mm high. Carpet detection sensor, 20 mm barrier cross height. For more information, you can scan this QR code given here on a box. And also it works with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Also, you get an app for Android on Google Play and iOS on Apple Store. You can control your robot vacuum cleaner through this app. You can do mapping, scheduling, or select vacuuming or mopping. You can change the settings according to your needs. So all this kind of stuff you can do on the app.
You serious?
Like always, in the box you get a manual guide and safety information. Let's keep this aside. I think this is a vacuum cleaner, I guess. How to get this thing out? And this is a dustbin base station. Firstly, we'll look at the robot vacuum cleaner. In this box, you get a power cord, this is a base station ramp which allows the robot to go into the station for its cleaning and emptying. Lastly, you get a robot vacuum cleaner itself. This is eufy x10 Pro. It looks beautiful. It has a oval kind of shape with rounded edges. Now if you look at the vacuum, you get a navigation sensor here. You get some buttons here, home button, power button and a lock button. If you open the flap, inside you get a small dustbin where all the dust gets collected here, and then later in the base station. So to open this, you need to pull this like this, and clean the filter. You need to pull this and then you can access the filter. Here you get a HEPA filter. Let's put this back inside. In the front of the robot you get a bumper sensor, then you get a RGB cameras here, AIC, two sensors over here. If you look at the bottom of the robot, you get two mopping pads which are in pentagon shape, two wheels with suspension. Then you get a single side sweeping brush, you get a 360 wheel, then you get tons of sensors here around. It's like a self-driving car, like a Tesla. Now here you get a roller brush. To access this you need to pull this levers, and here you go. Now this is a floating brush. Now it also has a detangling comb. If you see closely here, this is a detangling comb. Let's put this back. So now let's look at the base station. This is the RAM that goes here. Here you get clean water tank. Here you get a dirty water tank. Over here you get a dust collector bag. Let's put this back. After the mopping and sweeping is done, the robot goes into this station and sucks up all the dirt inside this bag, and the dirty water from the robot tank is also sucked into the dirty water tank here, and does self-cleaning and self-drying of the mop by itself. It will do everything by itself. Now this is a flagship model which come for the price of around £799 in UK. In Indian rupees it will be around 80,000 rupees, and it is way cheaper than the other flagship models out there in the market. So guys, that's it for today of unboxing. I will make a detailed review on this in my next video, maybe after some months of use and testing. You can check the link in the description below for shopping website. If you like the video, please do like, subscribe and share, and press the bell icon for further notification. Thank you guys for watching. This is Costa Tech Nerd Buddy signing off. Ciao.
Charging. Start collecting dust.